A pipeline in a software engineering team is a set of automated processes that allow developers and DevOps professionals to reliably and efficiently compile, build, and deploy their code to their production platforms. DevOps unifies the application delivery process into a continuous flow that incorporates planning, development, testing, deployment, and operations, with the goal of delivering applications more quickly and easily. The goals of a pipeline are to ensure early feedback on products. Early feedback will indicate if the build is potentially releasable. Any bugs can be detected in the pipeline, and automated testing and quality checks can be integrated. The goal of a DevOps pipeline is to deploy software quickly and continually. Planning a pipeline depends on what the pipeline is going to produce. It's worth looking at the pipeline itself in order to make sure there's a reasonable amount of security best practices built in to ensure pipeline security. We'll expound on this point in more detail later on. There are three main aspects to consider: notifications, health, and architecture. The pipeline can generate notifications as emails or by publishing the build outputs to dashboards. Notifications could even take the shape of ticket creation in issue tracking systems such as Jira when there is a vulnerability. ChatOps can be used to integrate bots into the pipeline so that a security scan could be triggered from a collaboration tool such as Teams or Slack. In terms of pipeline health then, it's best to factor in the following areas for monitoring as part of the DevOps pipeline plan. First, monitor the status of new builds. Then, monitor the availability of build agents and plan to scale when the build server capacity is exhausted. Finally, the architecture aspect of the pipeline covers areas such as virtual machines and containerized build agents. The platform as a service model could also be considered.